Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 1B, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, performing such a reset will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, as you can see, I do have one set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. Now, additional info that should probably be mentioned when doing such a reset with removing screen lock. If your device has a Google account, just to showcase this, you can see right here, and you do this, the device will become FRP locked. And what that entails is that when the reset is finished and you go into the setup, you will need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was previously logged in on this device. And with that being said, if you don't know either one of those, you basically can never finish up the setup of your phone. Now, so with that info out of the way, I will also be recording a video on how you can bypass this, because for this device there is a way to number one, bypass this and then fully remove it. So I'll be recording that as a separate video for anyone who might need it. Now anyway, with that being said, let's get started. So number one, we're gonna need to turn off our device, so hold your power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. After a couple seconds, you should see the Alcatel logo on your screen. There we go. Keep holding for like 4 more seconds, and I think I held it for a little bit too long. There we go, that should be good enough. So keep holding for about like 3 to 4 seconds and then let go. After a moment, it will put you into the recovery mode, in which you will need to use your volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press. So let's scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, then confirm it with the power button. Select Factory Data Reset, confirm that. It will give you at the bottom a message that it's formatting data, and then last thing that you should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press your power button once again to confirm that, and this will reboot the device and continue the resetting of it in the background. Now because it's continuing it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. And once the reset is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.